Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'll show you how you guys can use screen recording feature on your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So let's begin. There are three different ways to start screen recording on your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. First easiest way is to simply press and hold volume up key with the power key. Second easiest way is by tapping the screen twice with your knuckles. Moving on to the third and final way which I'm going to show you in this video is by using the screenshot toggle, which you can easily find in the quick setting menu. So that's it guys, 3 simple and easy ways to take a screenshot on your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Do let me know what you guys think of this video. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.